Don't mind my silk pillow and silk bonnet, double reinforcements. No, this is not a Wendy Williams voiceover. I've seen the comments and I've heard all the commentary. Thank you. Now, if you want a flat stomach, you have to listen to me. There are many people out there telling you, oh, this, that, the other thing. I'm telling you the truth. Listen to the sound of my voice. I'm telling you the truth. I had a big gut for so long that I was like, all right, you know what? I'll just take this big gut, have a couple babies, and then do lipo post the babies to kind of get the gut away. OMG. Now I walk through the world with the confidence of anything, knowing that I'll never have to have a big gut again. Why? Because I started doing leg raises. Listen to me and listen to me well. I'm going to shout this from the rooftop forever. If you want a flat stomach, you got to do two things. Number one, follow me. Number two, do leg raises. Number three, you could get my workout plan if you want to know how to really break out that workout and break out the load. But let me tell you something. I had a big gut for so long. Nothing that I did. I was in the gym. I was changing the way I ate, etc., and none of it was working until I started doing leg raises and really scrunching in my core from my pelvic muscles. That is how, low key, after I got a flat stomach, I didn't go to the gym for like a couple of months after that, and my stomach was still flat. I ate McDonald's. Yes, I did. I ate In-N-Out. Yes, I did. I didn't eat no Burger King. Now I have some class. But I ate those things, not every day, but I would have them, and my stomach was still flat because I had trained my inner core muscles and my pelvic muscles to be snatched. And that's why I'm preaching it from the rooftop. Check my content. I'm no workout influencer. I'm not a workout queen, but I know how to get a flat stomach. I don't care how big your stomach is. I don't care if you just had a baby. I don't care if you're 40 years old. I don't care if you got your gut when you were 3 years old. If you follow this workout plan, you're gonna lose the weight. Check my playlist, Shrink Your Waist, for all the before and after pics. I ain't never lie. Okay? Okay. Bye, guys.